not hard. Whoop, there we go. It's like getting it on the side. Aww, this one's like a monkey one. Look how cute I am. Look at how cute. Oh, hello. Good job, babe.
Is this one the last one for me to do? And
Yes.
these rings are for this one?
You can pick any. You can mix and match.
I'll just mix and match.
Come on, let's open it, please. Here, Mommy help you.
What is it, Mommy?
Oh, it's a kitty.
Now we
Cute
both.
eggshells.
Now we both have titties.
Yeah. Put some rings on it.
Mommy, and I put golden ones.
Okay.
Can I do another one now?
No, babe. Let's finish this one, honey. We gotta put the other things on.
And these ones are for the other ones?
Let's put the... No, baby. Let's put the wings on these, honey. We gotta put the wings on these ones. Look. What? Babe, I was thinking about putting these ones on that one.
I'm thinking of putting these rings on this one.
Oh, look. How cute is that? Look at how cute.
I wanted twins.
Hold on, baby.
Is this her own bed? It's her own bed.
Where's all the wings?
Right here.
We need 3. No, they're all done, baby. Look. Babe.
What?
She's pink and purple. We probably should put the purple on her. Here, you got pink wings. I mean, you can mix and match, but I just figured it would match her better. How cute is that? So cute. Of course, you can mix and match them and stuff. Look how cute I am. Hello.
Hey, look how cute I am. Hello.
Hey, thank you for watching, everybody. These are
Mommy,
our first Hatchimals.
Is this one a dinosaur?
I don't know what it is. Let me see. I'm not sure. It's cute, though.
Yeah, do another
Please
one.
like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank
I'm
you.
gonna do another one. And just wait.